James Shepherd Jr. is the current chairman of the board of directors of Shepherd Center, the country's largest catastrophic care hospital, specializing in the treatment of people with spinal cord injuries, acquired brain injuries, multiple sclerosis, and other neurological disorders.
When you compare our catastrophic model with the general rehab unit, there's no comparison. We return people at a higher level of function, back to work or back as the homemaker, and our outcomes are better than anyone in the country.
A native of Atlanta, Shepherd graduated from the Westminster Schools and in 1973 from the Terry College of the University of Georgia with a BBA in finance, management, and business law. It was his near-fatal body surfing accident which led to the founding of Shepherd Center 2 years later. Currently, James divides his time between Shepherd Center and the other family businesses. He is vice president of Shepherd Construction Company, chairman, CEO, and treasurer of Plant Improvement Company, and vice president and treasurer of Atlanta Terminal Company. Yet he remains actively involved in the community, advocating for people with disabilities. Shepherd is director of the National Rehabilitation Awareness Foundation and has served on the board of directors of Georgia Tech's Center for Rehabilitation Technology, the Governor's Spinal Cord and Brain Injury Trust Fund Authority, and Initiative 2000, a celebration of the 10th anniversary of the Americans with Disabilities Act. He also served on the steering committee for the First Presbyterian Church, which led the Interfaith Conference on Disability Awareness, and
we helped draft some of the first accessibility regulations.
He volunteered on the Accessibility Advisory Committees of MARTA, the City of Atlanta Airport, the World Congress Center, and the Georgia Dome. For all his accomplishments, he is a sincere, down-to-earth person whose smile and conversation is shared equally with everyone he meets. The Terry College is extremely proud to present its 2003 Distinguished Alumni Award to James Shepherd Jr.